So here we have our Milesight. This is a 8 megapixel 4K motorized zoom lens bullet camera here. The model number of this is an MS-C8162-FPB, and it's 2.7mm to 13.5mm lens. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at this and see what we get. So we get a little Ziploc bag here. Inside this Ziploc bag we have got a 3-year warranty card. Got a little surveillance sticker for you to stick out on your window, wherever you want people to see that. You got a quick start guide. And then we've got our mounting bracket location sticker. So if you look a bit further inside, we have 2 sets of security screws to adjust the camera. We've got 4 stainless steel screws, some wall plugs and some mounting screws. If you take a look at the bracket now, got your little moisture satchel. That's your bracket. So cool thing, like all Milesight cameras, is you can mount this bracket up first onto the wall without getting any damage to the camera. So we can feed our cables in through here, through a cable gland. Pushes in through this point here. And then you've got your O-ring seal there, and that's where your camera will attach, which I'll show you a bit later. So if we move on to the camera, your side view, your top view, your rain guard, where you can move that to the position that you're after. If you look at the lens itself, so you got your little IR sensor there, you got your lens, you got your LED lights. Bottom of the camera, just behind this plate here, is actually where you've got your micro SD card, which you can slot that into. And if we take a look at the base plate here, this is where you plug in your camera. So you don't have a pigtail in this one. Your RJ45 gets directly terminated into that, and then you've got your alarm inputs and your audio inputs at this section here as well that you can go straight into. So the way that camera mounts is, once you've got it in, it just clicks onto there and then you slot that in, and then you're good to go. So yeah, that's the Milesight motorized bullet, 8 megapixel 4K resolution.